He's a pretty good guy, awesome boss, and definitely one of the better layers around, and definitely keeps us on our toes. Throws his jokes around and tries to make it more of a fun environment than a strict, you do this type of environment. He kind of adds a little bit of fun to it. He's always there to give us the tips and stuff we need. There's nothing that we can't ask him that he won't help us with. If we do make a mess up or something, he just takes it on the chin and stuff happens. He's not the type of one to get angry about it. And, oh well, it's happened, we'll fix it, and I'll show you how not to do it again. And his whole personality was the type of guy I wanted to work for, and I still do see him as more of a mate than a boss. You're always looking up to him. Everything he does is pretty good, so you kind of want to follow in his footsteps. You just want to do everything he does. He doesn't make a mistake. He's a legend.